Hi guys, this is Teds and welcome back to my channel. So matagal-tagal din tayong hindi nakapagawa ng video. Kaya thank you for the Plextone Philippines for making this video possible. So for today's video guys, we will be unboxing and reviewing a gaming headset from Plextone Philippines. So if you're not aware guys, Plextone is making an affordable and quality gaming headset at very affordable price. So if you want to know more of their products, visit the link below provided in the description box. You can also visit them at Shopee or Lazada. So ito yung kanyang package. Very simple and walang halong kung ano-ano. Now, let's try to see what's inside this box. So, upon looking, sabi dito, hammering in the bass.
As you know, I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass.
It's more durable and more stable. So, the type that we have is the G20 gaming headphones. Yung sabi dito, it has 3.5mm L-shaped plug. It also has microphone with HD voice, stable cable, and anti-noise. And if you're looking at the box, sabi dito, meron din siyang 1,200mm for mobile phones and 2,200mm for PC. Sabi pa dito, this product has a computer yung audio patch cord or yung audio splitter. So, you can also use this product sa inyong personal computer. And another extension cord which is 900mm kung gusto nyong dagdagan pa ng haba yung original cord ng headset. Siguro what I like about this product is the L-shaped type na ino-offer niya kasi usually when using a headset, kapag diretso lang siya, madalas sumasabit. Siguro ito yung unique sa product na ito. So inside the box guys ay yung mismong G20 headset. Meron din siyang mga kasamang additional buds. Of course, the manuals na naka-Chinese characters. At wala naman nagbabasa. At kasama rin na yung audio splitter kapag gagamitin natin siya sa PC. Ang isa ay para sa microphone, ang isa ay para sa mismong headset. And the extension cord. Ayan, I forgot to mention guys, yung mismong headset niya pala ay mayroong magnetic buds. Ayan. So, to make it more secure kapag in-store natin siya sa ating mga bags or pockets, ayan, safe yung magnetic buds na meron siya. So, the good thing about this product is it is upgraded with L-shaped plug adapter and magnetic buds. Meron din siyang kasamang audio patch splitter na pwedeng gamitin sa inyong mga personal computer, and also additional extension cord. Ayan, ganyan siya kahaba. Now, pagdating sa mismong headset, nandito yung kanyang mga buttons. Meron siyang slider up and down kung gusto mong palaksan at hinaan yung headset, and also the call button or the play and pause button if you're playing a music. Nandito rin yung kanyang microphone. Ayun lang. So now let's try this G20 Plextone gaming headset in playing games, in listening to music, watching movies, and also sa teleconference call. In terms of gaming naman, you will hear all the backgrounds and its details and sound effect. At syempre, hindi ako natuwa dun sa part na you have been slain. While listening to music naman, one thing that I noticed is that this headset is bass heavy. Siguro if you're into party music, you will definitely enjoy its sound quality. In terms of playing other types of music, the cons is it doesn't sound so natural. I guess maybe it's really intended for gaming. While watching movies naman, the sound quality is good compared to other cheap headset in the market. This G20 Plextone headset will do its job. I've also tried this product in video call. So far, the sound quality is good. For only 389 pesos, I would say that this product is a steal compared to its competitors at hindi ka nalugi for what this headphone can offer. If you're going to ask me if I would recommend this product, definitely I would. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye bye.